Hey everyone, so my website is called We Do Recover. It's a website that focuses on the devastation of drug overdoses. I liked this little, I don't know what you call this, like a cover art, because I think it focuses a lot on the disease of addiction, and the disease of addiction represents the darkness, and recovery represents the one little light shining through. So when we go into the home page, you see the main YouTube video that is on my YouTube channel. And then when you click my Twitter, there we go. We go to my Twitter page. I've been retweeting a lot. I follow 51 people. It's really cool to see how many people are already signed up, and being advocates for preventing drug overdoses. We can go to my YouTube page, and there's my little YouTube video that just starts playing. And here are the ones. This one, I believe only you guys, it's unlisted. So I did one about facing opioid overdoses, and then I did one recently called Let's Talk About Suboxone, and that just covers what Suboxone does for opioid addicts. And then there is a SoundCloud. I have 3 podcasts. I did one about Shatterproof, the website. And then I did one about Alcohol Awareness Month, in case nobody knew. April's Alcohol Awareness Month. And then my latest one was Narcan. And that is used to help somebody experiencing an overdose. That'll help not let them die. Anyway, so the problem tab, like that, death, boom. So I went mostly into statistics here. In 2017, there were 70,000 deaths related to drug overdoses, and 30,000 of those deaths were related to fentanyl and other synthetic opioids. I did a little infographic right here that included some of the same statistics and added some different ones. In the How to Help tab, I think it's very important that you educate yourself first. So this link takes you to projectknow.com. I love this website. They have so much to talk about. They talk about how to get the help and what comes after that. You may have to perform an intervention on somebody. Somebody may need to get an assessment. After they detox, what's next? You got rehab, aftercare. They may be able to go into sober living. It just doesn't stop after the intervention. There's a whole other part to it. And it's also important to focus on relapse prevention so that you can avoid that from happening. You can also click their other tabs, and they talk more in depth about how it affects your body and everything. So there are also how to respond. Now, when I look in my iPad and my phone, there is a flyer here that talks about how to respond when people are overdosing from alcohol or heroin or cocaine, whatever. But for some reason, it's not showing up on that. But it's a really cool PDF. If you want to go to my site, you can totally check it out. I hope it's still there, because when I check other things, it's there. So the third one, you can also get training for Narcan. That way you can carry it on you, and if somebody close to you or just somebody in general is experiencing an overdose, you can administer Narcan to them and make sure they don't overdose. And I provided 2 different links to do that. And they're both free. Boom. And then there's also this petition at drugpolicy.org. And what I like about it is they're trying to focus on how we need to change what's happening. It says if they are serious about addressing the overdose crisis in this current administration, they must embrace health-based solutions and eventually decriminalize drug use and possession. I like that. Portugal is one of the very few countries that actually has legalized all drugs, and their rates dropped really low. Anyways, with my resources, I gave a shout out to Shatterproof again just because it's a really cool website. They have a memorial on there. It's really cool to see. It's really sad, honestly, you want to do a little quick with me. Yeah, so there's a memorial for all the people that have lost their lives to addiction. It's really sad. But that's one of my favorite parts of it. And there's also the Center of Addiction. This is the more sciencey one, in case anybody is interested in that. And finally, if anybody is looking for a treatment center, this is the number to help you find your nearest one. So, thank you guys for letting me give you this tour. I hope you learned something new today. Have a great day.